Hello there. Unfortunately, since it's winter, it gets dark quickly, so I haven't been able to get outside and record anything for Marduk, but I have been able to test this power armor controller, and frankly, it sucks. Because of how the tolerances go between all the different machine screws and stuff, it's just very hard to work with. So I was thinking, as I usually do, why not try modifying something that already exists? This double pull, double throw switch that I seem to favor. Now I have taken them apart and discovered something quite interesting. So why don't we go ahead and take it apart? And there you go. You can see how everything contacts together. You've got the one throw and the other throw as two little rockers. And the switch just goes down on top of them, and of course pushes them into position. And some genius decided to put a spring on this one instead of another little nub, so that you need to have it on pretty tightly in order for the switch to actually throw. However, if I were to replace that spring with a nub and put everything back together loosely, the switch feels a lot less crunchy. There's a bit more play in the middle and a bit of a smoother transition. And the most important part, the switch still works. However, it doesn't work with the side that has a spring on it, so what I need to do is rebuild this, or 3D print something like this that has two nubs instead of the nub in the spring. And the power armor mechanism should be further within our grasp. So I'm going to be redesigning this, hopefully to accommodate some looser double pull, double throw switches. Adapt these so they're a lot more smooth transitions, and then see about testing it. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and always try switching it up if things aren't working your way. Bye-bye.